Hello everybody and welcome to your English course. This is week 4. First, some online classroom rules. Turn off your microphones, wait for your turn, and use the chat if you need to say something. Again, number 1, turn off your microphones. Use them only if the teacher tells you to participate. Number 2, wait for your turn. Okay, the teacher will call you 4 times. If you do not answer, then you will have to wait for your next turn. Number 3, use the chat if you need to say something. If you need to ask or answer or just to say hi, you can do that through the chat. Okay, so use the chat if you need to say something. Okay? Okay, everybody, this is class 1. We're going to do a review. These are the objectives: to spell people's name, to tell people's age and height. Okay, do you remember how to spell people's name and how to tell people's age and height? Okay, everybody, let's answer. Do you remember how to introduce people? For example, who's that? Okay, this is his information. Okay, Tom, 7 years, 1 meter 25. What do you have to do? You have to introduce this person. You have to say, this is Tom, T-O-M. He is 7 and he is 1 meter 25. And that's it. Remember to say he if he is a boy. If it's a boy, you have to say he. Okay, remember that. Another example. Who's that? This is her information. Lucy, 6 years, 1 meter 15. Okay. This is Lucy, L-U-C-Y. She's 6. She's 1 meter 15. And that is how you have to introduce a girl. You have to use she. Okay? Okay. That is what you have to do. You have to tell me this is, mentioning the name, and then to spell the name, then the age and the height. Okay? Okay. Another example. Who's this? Who's that? Okay. Ben, 5 years, 1 meter 10. This is Ben, B-E-N. He's 5 and he's 1 meter 10. Okay? Okay, everybody, good job. Next, who's that? Kim, 8 years, 1 meter 27. So we're going to introduce her, okay? This is Kim, K-I-M. She's 8. She's 1 meter 27. Okay? Okay, guys, so that is what you have to do. You have to do that in your notebook, okay? Now, it's your turn, okay? Everybody in your notebooks. You have to talk about your friend. Who's that? You have to write their names. For example, you have to write their names. For example, Maria. She's my friend, Maria. Her age, for example, 8 years. 8. I have to write there the age, 8. Then their height, okay? For example, 1 meter 6, 1 meter 10. And then I have to write sentences, just like the examples, okay? For example, let's say that my friend is Pepito. This is Pepito, P-E-P-I-T-O. He's 7. He's 1 meter 20. Okay? So that is what you have to do. You have to describe a friend. You have to introduce a friend by saying those sentences. And that's it. You have to finish in your notebooks, okay? Okay, in your notebook, en su cuaderno, van a escribir ahora la descripción de un amigo. Van a presentar a un amigo. Voy a poner su nombre, su edad y su estatura. Lo voy a dibujar y voy a escribir. This is, for example, this is Luis. L-U-I-S. He is 7. He is 1 meter 25, for example. ¿Ok? Y ahora es su turno. Ustedes tienen que presentar a su amigo. ¿Ok? Una vez que terminamos, once we finish, the teacher is going to ask you. Una vez que terminamos, la teacher les va a preguntar. ¿Ok? Ok, everybody. Once you finish, let's think. What did you learn today? Today you learned to tell people's name, to spell people's name, and to tell people's height and age. Okay? Okay, everybody. That was a good job. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you next class.